Welcome to paradise. Today we're starting part 1 of our ultimate walking tour through Krabi, Thailand. Our journey begins at Ao Nang, the vibrant heart of Krabi, and the gateway to its most beautiful islands. The promenade is perfect for a morning stroll, offering fresh sea breezes and a glimpse into local life. These iconic boats are the lifeblood of Krabi, ready to whisk you away to hidden coves. Just look at that color. It's hard to believe it's real until you're standing right here. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Back in town, the streets are filled with everything from handmade souvenirs to cozy cafes, and you can't walk these streets without sampling some world-famous street food. The aromas are incredible. As the day goes on, the energy here only grows, with music and laughter filling the air. Now let's head to the southern end of the beach for a little adventure on the Monkey Trail. This scenic path winds through the cliffs and jungle, offering some of the best views in the area. And yes, it's called the Monkey Trail for a reason. Keep your eyes peeled for these furry locals. The trail leads us to Pai Plong Beach, a peaceful retreat away from the main hustle and bustle. The limestone formations here are simply majestic, standing like silent guardians over the bay. Next, we're hopping on a boat for the short ride to the world-famous Railay Beach. You can only get to Railay by boat, making the arrival feel like discovering a secret world. Welcome to Railay West. This is widely considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Thailand. It's the perfect place to kick off your shoes and feel that soft sand between your toes. These cliffs don't just provide a backdrop. They create a unique atmosphere you won't find anywhere else. Railay is a world-class destination for rock climbing, attracting adventurers from around the globe. Connecting the peninsula is the Railay Walking Street, filled with unique bars and laid-back vibes. It's a great spot to grab a cold drink and just soak in the island life. No cars, no rush. A short walk away lies Phra Nang Cave Beach, often voted one of the best in the world. The water here is incredibly clear and calm, perfect for a peaceful afternoon swim. The beach is named after this cave, a sacred site where locals leave offerings for safe passage. There's nothing quite like floating in these warm waters while looking up at the massive cliffs above. As the day comes to a close, Railay offers one of the most spectacular sunsets you'll ever see. That's a wrap on part 1 of our Krabi tour. We've seen some of the world's best beaches today. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Join us for part 2.